excited about the partnership. We've had a long-term relationship with Worldpay for many, many years. But what we're doing with Worldpay is we're using our open banking connectivity to connect consumers at their consent to third parties through their bank account. And how that works is a consumer decides that they want to connect their bank account for a payment, typically in the biller segment, and they give us consent. We connect their bank account on their behalf, and we create products and services that can help reduce fraud, and then they can more seamlessly make a bill payment through Worldpay. Open banking really started in Europe with PSD2. What we saw there was some guidelines and regulation around banks providing data from certain accounts on their bank to consumers. And then there was a journey to really standardize that technology and make it something that could be scalable. The US is very different today, which is like market-driven, consumer demand. And what we've been doing across both Europe and the US is working on best-in-class connectivity between the banks and the third parties with consumer consent, so that whatever the use case is, the data works, the quality's high, best-in-class security, foundational compliance programs, as well as use cases that solve problems. And so, although one market's regulated and one's market-driven today, solving for how the ecosystem works is very much the same. For me, I'm focused very, very much on bringing open banking up to be even more scalable than it is in the markets that are ready. So I mentioned Europe, Australia, the US. What we're doing there is we're continuing to add use cases and services that make the ability to have data consented by the consumer serve multiple needs. One is flawless account opening with good digital ID all the way through to getting an account funded. Another is lending protocols, you being able to provide data to a lender that they don't have in a credit bureau or somewhere else and getting different capital. And we can do that for consumers and small businesses. And while we're doing that, we'll also make sure we're figuring out how we can use new technologies like AI in responsible ways to accelerate the way we're doing it.